Another way for making UVs, for example, this sword, it's in blade here. As you can see, this part of the sword is in a solid. It does not have any curves. It's like a segment. As you can see, we have a poly segment poly here. For example, these are curves. We have a curve modeling, but they're solid. And a straight line and a straight polygon. For UV, those polygons that, as you can see, we have a lots of polygon here. We have a time consuming for cutting them. For creating UV, we can use the segments menu here. It's doing for us automatically. It's one of the powerful of this software to making your UV in a second, I think, not minutes. But this tool works with the marked polys. You learned marked in the previous lessons. Refer to them. For marking the whole object, you can simply GG on double G on your keyboard. GG. As you can see, it's turned to green. This means you mark them and select them. And now you can click on this button to segment. Before, we have to set some settings. If you have a lots of UV in your UV editor, or if you want to box them, pack them together, you can tick the box. But I don't want that. Weld. We have the automatic. This is an automatic weld that I think does not work well. Always turn it off, please. When you click R, it's for rounding and revolve objects that usually don't work. The alt means if it's cut it in a segment, so this polygon for making UV, it's welded automatically. That does not good job. It's sometimes okay, and sometimes not okay. But turning off, and after that I will be activate alt to show you. The threshold angle, don't confuse about that. I will say in simple. If you increase this number in a degree, we have less segment and parts in UV. If you want to more segment, for example, this software separated this segment, separate this segment, separate this segment. If you want to that, you reduce this number. But in 60 is nice. Weld gaps in 1% means this image. Sometimes in a UVs, we have a length to gap ratio. This ratio, if it is 100%, below that 100%, it will be welded for you. And fast weld, it can be turned off or on. It's not important now. Just click segment mark poly to see what is the result. Going to the UV one, and as you can see, it's automatically UV that segment object for us. It's very nice. Okay. Test it box. Ctrl Z. Turn the box and make mark. As you can see, it's bringing to the box, and you can when you holding your, I explained that, but when you holding space and middle mouse button at this corner, you can change the box, or you can go in and change in the box. This is box for don't mix into other UVs. Auto weld all marked. One. As you can see, it's in this mode. Its job is good. Okay, it's welded for you automatically. That's nice. As you can see, it's UV, but I want to those polygons be separate from each other. For example, here you can be cut them if you want. That's nice. This, as you can see, it's doing its job well and welded there. Nice. In this moment, it's work. Or if you want, you can see cut here and bring it this way. Okay, Ctrl Z. And I want to explain. manually fast. It's nice, I think. Turn it automatic weld off and again. Going to the U, and this is our work. Okay. Now I want to weld them with each other. Fast weld on. It means if you click on an edge, it shows you the corresponding edge to weld. Click. As you can see, it says you that this edge and this edge can be welded to each other. You can swap them. This menu will be appear here with a select. You can LMB, left mouse button, to select the edge. Swap the edge. It means that if you hit S, this object goes to snap to that object to weld. Hit enter to enter to weld shells. If green segment will be appear here, you can go in your mouse over that and hit W to weld gaps. If you saw a little gap, you can. And another edge, click. As you can see, it says this object can snap to that object. You can swap it, S or not. I like to swap that. And hit enter. Bring it here. Nice. You can cut this robot if you want. Select it. This edge. Again, as you can see, it's going here. That's nice. And hit enter. This is fast weld manually. I think in this mode, in this situation, the weld all is going best idea for that. But I want to explain you what is fast weld. In a complex model, it does not work well. And as you can see, we have lots of little objects. You can click on them. Oh, as you can see, it's have to snap there. No, I want to swap it. Yes, this is good. And snap it there. Click there. That's nice. I want to swap it to snap U to that bigger part. Swap it, S. Going and snap to the there. As you can see, it's doing automatically. Enter and snap to there. Oh, we have a lots of polygon. As you can see, we have a lots of polygon. This part is fast weld is nice for our work. And let's snap this edge to this edge, as you can see, and this is our work. But I want to be separate. And that's it. Click anywhere to cancel it. And you can align them, or as you can see, if you click, we have to fast weld turn it off to can select them and easily. Select both of them and can rotate them if you want. And you have to rotate it to align them to each other if you want. Go into the tree and hit T to see the textures. As you can see, everything is nice and good. But if you want, you can weld it to each other. This part of you is. Okay, this is segments menu and it's fast weld. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.